My self-image has always been strong, I have to tell you that. So, but I did find that I was, as most people who are a little bit subconscious about their smile, or tend to put their hand in front of their mouth, and I was aware of that because I had yellowish teeth, particularly at the front. I had been a smoker many, many years ago. I stopped 30 years ago, but it did stain the teeth. So when I decided to get it done, it was as much to influence my business colleagues and clients as much as my friends and family. I always regarded dentists much as I regard rat catchers and politicians, to be avoided at all costs. I was referred to Kidess by a patient of hers, and who said that Reem is a little bit different and the experience will be probably better than I'm used to. So I gave Reem a try, and I have to say that what I found with Reem was that it was a fun experience. I was reluctantly laughing because she and her assistant were making fun of me, were making fun of my Britishness, were making fun of my poor jokes because I was nervous, as most patients are, pre-work. And she started work. She took care of the emergency, the minor emergency I had. She drilled, and I was euphoric because it wasn't painful. And every time I thought there was a little bit of pain coming, I would wince, and they used to laugh at me, you know. But it was something to get used to, and I enjoyed the experience. After a couple of routine fillings and stuff, she then tackled the more creative side of the work that had to be done. I had a number of well-ground teeth. I'm prone to grinding, mainly because I get angry very easily, and I tend to grind my teeth. No, I'm joking. She suggested a couple of crowns at the front, which would help the situation, and initially I said no, because I thought she was just selling, and indeed she was, and it was many thousands of dollars later that I wrote out a check and felt pretty good about it, because she did actually a good job. So the main job that Reem did for me was this, a double crown at the front, and it's turned out to look, for me, very good. I recognized I needed something, and since I enjoyed her company and the work she'd done for me and the more routine stuff, I thought, well, let's see what she's got in mind. And then she did some designs, very creative, and it suited my mouth, at least I thought so. So I checked my bank account and found that actually I could probably afford it. So she went ahead, and it was probably a 4-stage or 5-stage program. I don't think you can put a price on health-related issues. And what I have had done is a part cosmetic and part health-related. So as far as the health-related issues are concerned, it's priceless. As to the cosmetic value, how do you put a price on it? From now on, I smile readily, much more readily. Rarely does my hand go in front of my mouth. And so how do you put a price on that? Maybe $100,000, maybe $250,000 over the rest of my life. And it wasn't $100,000. It was actually a 4-digit sum. So I felt that I got away with it. And as to value, I think Reem Kidess's treatment is well worth it.